Let's explore ToNiagara's Niagara Falls sightseeing tours. Start your Niagara Falls adventure with convenient pickups from Toronto, Pearson Airport, or Niagara hotels, all on your schedule. As we head to the Canadian side of Niagara Falls, your comfort is paramount. Our luxury vehicles guarantee a smooth, enjoyable ride, setting the perfect tone for an unforgettable adventure. Arrive and experience Niagara Falls up close on the Voyage to the Falls cruise by Hornblower. Feel the mist as we sail into the heart of the falls, a truly unforgettable moment. After the boat tour, enjoy lunch and explore Niagara Falls. Stroll Clifton Hill, drive along Niagara Parkway, and visit Niagara-on-the-Lake in the iconic Floral Clock. History buffs will love the breathtaking views from Queenston Heights, and wine enthusiasts will enjoy a memorable winery tour featuring some of Niagara's finest wines. Hungry for more? Enjoy a gourmet meal at Skylon Tower's revolving dining room with stunning views of Niagara Falls. We'll then drop you off at your hotel, chosen location, or airport. ToNiagara offers day, evening, and private tours from Toronto and nearby cities. Elevate your experience with a Niagara Falls helicopter tour, the Voyage to the Falls boat tour, or the Falls fireworks cruise. Looking for thrills? Try the high-speed whirlpool jet tours. Prefer serenity? Explore the journey behind the falls, Skylon Tower, or Power Station walking tour. Whether it's a day trip, evening adventure, or private getaway, ToNiagara has the perfect tour. Book now and create lasting memories. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.